How a light truck sweeper. Start the work demo operation. The detailed operation steps are as follows. Step 1. Start the engine. Preheat for about 5–10 minutes. Then start the operation mode. Open left sweep rack. Open right hand rack. Open the suction cup holder. After the suction cup holder is finished, enable full scan mode. This is adjusting the speed. Increase the speed to 1500 to 1800. Turn on the pump switch. This is working lighting. Reduce the speed when turning it off. After the speed drops to 800 revolutions per minute, close full scan. Close sequentially. Deep left, deep right. Suction cup depth. After shutting down, the engine turns off. This is the whole process of sweeper operation.